set the alarm on your phone if you live alone and you always forget to take your medications. Make sure to at the day of the week you take your medications. For example, if you take your medications only on Fridays, select only Friday. Let's say you take your medications every day. Select all the days of the week from Monday to Sunday. Ensure that you select and add what time you take your medications or time you will be taking your medications. If you don't know how to set the alarm on your phone, ask somebody else to set the alarm for you. Remember to test the alarm to make sure it is set properly.